today. Today is a special day, actually, is the presser that you see from Emmerson Mnangagwa. That presser reminds us of 2017, when Robert Mugabe, when they put him under house arrest. Robert Mugabe went on about with his presidential duties and press conferences. The same thing that we are seeing today. As you see Emmerson Mnangagwa, look at the body posture when he was talking in the presser today. It clearly shows you that the power is not in his hands. There are people that are forcing him to say something and he does not want to say it. As we all know, he came about and say, I am the one who created the intelligence. I'm the one who is the father of intelligence in Zimbabwe. So he's still running with that narrative. And today he wanted to push the narrative to say that he's a constitutionalist and he does not know Wicknell Chivayo. If he did something wrong, the police can get involved, and he's doing the philanthropic work, which I can say it is a narrative that he wants to change. Since we are in the midst of the Geza revolution, some they are calling it the Geza revolution, some they are calling it's a chaos. But what I can say is Emmerson Mnangagwa, as we speak, he's not in control of anything. He is trying to change the narrative, and his family actually, they are pushing him to let go. But him, we all know that he does not want to let go. Same like Robert Mugabe. But Robert Mugabe had a reason that he does not have anyone to give. But Emmerson, there is someone to give. There is a lot of people that are capable of running Zimbabwe. But he is simply saying that, guys, I'm supposed to go in 2028. Why do you want me to go now? And I'm a constitutionalist. You should take my word for it. But people are not taking his word.